today I got a package from Amazon. This is what it was. A Tomy Takara Thomas. Mint condition, unopened. Oh, that's upside down. Now, let's open it. This is harder now. One side done. The second side done. Now that I took it off the tape, let's see what's inside. First up, the piece of styrofoam. Now the tray. Tell me instructions. Here they are. Tomy Takara Thomas, Annie, and Clarabelle. Let's start off with Clarabelle. Has the normal side. Has a different face than mostly every single Tomy Clarabelle. Same second side. Nothing on the back. And Tomy information on the bottom. Let's move on to Annie. So she has the normal sides, the same scared face as usual, and the same other side. Nothing on the back. It is Tomy. Moving on to the Thomas. The face is nice. It has some nice condition face, no scratches so far. It has some stickers for the whistle and windows. The sides are really pretty, and it has the nice Tomy wheels. It has a nice white running board. The top is nice and blue. The back has a sticker headlight, and the side's the same. This is the bottom.
Stop.
It's time to add the batteries. Maybe the other side. This is Tomy Thomas. So here we have two Annies. This one is the one that we just unboxed. And this one is a very old Tomy, old Annie. The differences that they have are technically the face, and that's really all. The face, and this one's color is a bit darker, while this one's is a tiny bit brighter. That's all the differences that the Annies have. And that is what the two Tomys have that are Annies. Here we have two Clarabelles. This is the old Tomy, and this one's the new Tomy. The differences are face, and the colors are a bit different. This one's darker and this one's brighter. That's what we have for the two Clarabelles. Here are two Tomy Thomases. Here's the 1996 one, and here's the 2015 one that we just unboxed. Let's look at the differences. As we already know, from their faces, they're completely different. two. One has a white running board and one doesn't. The only reason that this one's silver is because I was trying to do a custom but miserably failed. This one has the black things right there, but this one doesn't. The sides are different. This one has stickers on the side, while the new one that we just unboxed is printed. This one's windows are tinier and have white, while this one's big and black complete. The back. This one I made it have a lamp, while the new one has a sticker lamp. The tops are basically identical, but this one has red lines, while this one has none. This one has a nice bright blue, while this one has faded darker blue. Those are the differences of the tops. Oh no! Who's the real Thomas? We will have to find out in a little battle right now. Get set. Oh no, Amy! Claire's in trouble! Our winner is this Thomas. The Thomas that we just unboxed. You are not the real Thomas. Get over it. Well, that wraps up our review of Tomy Thomas 2015. See you next time in our next video, and this Thomas will most likely be in it. He will be in, it will either be World's Strongest Engine or Last Engine Standing. I have a feeling it'll be World's Strongest Engine, so see you next time, and so will this Thomas.